Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set financial goals with Chase. So it's a pretty simple process. It's gonna be a quick video. Let's get straight into it. So the first step is to sign into your Chase account. So you can do that on the mobile app, or you can sign in on the website. But once you're signed into your account, just click on financial goals, and you can just select get started to get started on that. And here you can set your financial goals, such as your savings for a down payment on a house. It could be a savings for a car, whatever it is. Just set your financial goal, and then you're gonna create a plan to achieve your goal. So try to make it as realistic as possible, and so it's easily achievable. You could also set milestones and all to make it easier. You could also track your progress and receive alerts, so you know exactly how far you're going on your journey. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set financial goals with Chase. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.